You know what? It's bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's not as cramped as I was expecting either.
I was expecting you and I to be very, very close. I'm very glad we're not.
Yeah.
I don't like people touching me. Anyway.
Yeah. 2 full-grown men can fit inside of an Alpine Alger. We just proved it.
At our new bean test spot, our new flyby spot. This requires me to do some walking, but God knows I need it.
Oh, God. I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera, as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Oh, my Lord.
Hi, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera, is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, tell them everything you need to tell them.
Let me tell them some stuff. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember, I write it down. Call us about the Sunbeam Alpine Alger or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also, like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help you. And 92% of you that come back and watch these aren't subscribed, and it doesn't make any sense. Also hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool videos like this, and we make these a lot. But Chris, tell us all about this car.
1965 Sunbeam Alpine Alger with a V8. It's got a 260 or 4.3 liter V8. Can you believe it? In this little car, it's got a little V8. 4-speed manual transmission, blue exterior, blue interior. It's got a hardtop that comes off, and it has a blue soft top. It's got seating for 2. I mean, you really couldn't fit anyone back there. Let's see, we got the dyno sheets. It's been a full restoration. Let's see, it's an unbelievable little car. It's so small, and it is the predecessor to the AC, isn't it? The Cobra.
Yeah, they're kind of similar, little British cars with V8s in them. The British really know how to do these things.
Yes, they do.
And this one's in really good condition. I love the blue and the blue interior. It looks
the hard to soft top options.
Very, very nice. You got the nice wooden steering wheel in there as well. And down here you have the hood latch.
Isn't that nice?
It is nice. And under the hood here you have...
Not a lot of room.
Not a lot of room, but you do have a little V8.
Yes, you do.
And it says Tiger there on the valve cover.
Can't miss that.
Although it's not a Tiger, it's an Alpine Alger.
Right. But they got
yeah, look, they really wedged that thing in there, didn't they?
There's no room. You can't even breathe.
It's very clean, though. Very nice condition. And I'm ready to drive it and hear it. How about you?
Yes, absolutely. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Here's your mic, good sir.
Oh, here we are.
And there you have it, and there you are. Oh, man. And I'm in.
We're in.
I need to zoom out the camera. It's a little small in here. Oh. Oh, it's nice, though. Oh, I love this headliner on this hardtop.
You know what? It's bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's not as cramped as I was expecting either.
I was expecting you and I to be very, very close. I'm very glad we're not.
Yeah.
I don't like people touching me. Anyway.
Yeah. 2 full-grown men can fit inside of an Alpine Alger. We just proved it. Also, this seat is nice. Got a little bucket. My head's not hitting the ceiling, so that's a plus.
That's amazing, actually.
I'm not the tallest person ever, but, you know, you're not going to put someone who's 6'7" in here.
That would be difficult.
Yeah, I don't think they're going to fit. But
Jeremy Clarkson would not fit in this car.
For us normal-sized humans,
right,
we're all right. Yeah, there's your 4-speed manual shifter down there and an ashtray, it looks like. And then up here you got like a fuel gauge, roots group, whatever that is.
Well, it's the band from, was that the Jimmy Fallon show?
That's the Roots, yes.
Yeah, that's true.
We also got water temp, an RPM gauge, oil, a speedo, And over there you have amps on the left side of the wheel. Here's the lights, that switch there on the dash. Very nice. We also have, I don't think we have air conditioning.
Nope, we got heat.
We do have heat, and it's on hot right now. I'm gonna put it on car so it turns on. Very nice. Looks like we're doing some road work here or something.
Something's happening.
There we go, third gear action. Up the hill.
It's up the hill, folks.
This is actually really good. We have cranky windows.
They're not mad at you, though.
They're not mad at you. You just gotta crank them to put them up and down. Just like that. They're actually pretty smooth. Yeah, this is probably the warmest day we're gonna get in the next 3 months.
So glad we did this
There's
today.
a high of 50 today. So
Is it 50 right now?
It feels like it. It's not bad. It's been in the 20s and 30s recently, though. But it's getting up there. But yeah, with this hardtop on, I'm not feeling any wind.
No.
Even with the windows down and stuff, it's not bad. I'm pretty cocooned. I can feel the heat too.
Oh, good.
It's getting warm down there. So that's a plus. You do have a little cubby over here. It doesn't have a glove box door, but you can store some stuff.
Sure.
We don't have back seats, but you do have like a little bit of a
what is that?
luggage area back there, it looks like. You could fit some stuff. And then behind there, that little latch in the back is where the soft top is stored.
Oh, that's right.
So it's still in here.
We got a lot going on in this car.
We do.
I like the wheel.
Oh, the wooden steering was awesome, and the little the crest or whatever that's in the middle. Very cool, very British looking.
They made these from 64 to 67.
And we matched the car today. We're dark blue.
We're very blue today.
Yes, we are.
We're not upset though. We're just liking wearing blue.
Yeah, I know. We have all 3 mirrors, which is kind of astounding. Both side mirrors and a rear view for, what is this, 1965?
It's 65.
That was the height of safety.
Oh, I would imagine.
Having all 3 mirrors in the car.
And it's a small British car, so it can fit down those small British laneways.
Yeah, you didn't get all 3 mirrors often, but yeah, small car for small British roads. Or big American roads.
Well, yeah, we could definitely fit 2 or 3 across.
Probably. This thing's pretty good. The hardtop clips on with these little chrome clips up front, and I believe it's bolted on either side of it somehow. Oh yeah, there's more latches there. On the side, right next to the seat.
Thank you. I know
Very
who that
good.
is, too.
Pontiac not an Aztec, that was a
It's
Vibe.
a Vibe. Oh, the Aztec's
Pontiac
far
Vibe.
uglier.
Neither one of them are anywhere close to as good as a 1965 Sunbeam Alpine Alger.
Agreed.
And they don't have a V8 like this car.
That's right.
This thing's good, and they're actually pretty peppy. I mean, the V8 doesn't make a whole lot of horsepower, low 200s.
Yes,
I think. But how much does this weigh? Nothing.
Nothing, and a little less than something.
Yeah. So this is actually pretty good. I mean, the distance between us and the front of the car, I think, is the exact same as the distance between us and the back of the car, and both of them are about 4 or 5 feet.
And I have very, very big feet, like 11s. And I can shift, and I can brake. That's a good thing, because some of these cars are not like that.
All right, here's a bean test.
Are we, I hope it's open.
I will go to the new place.
We'll do our alternative place.
Ooh, second gear. It pulls pretty good.
Really does.
It runs smooth, too.
Very short. The shifter is very short. It's long, but it's short, little tight H.
Yeah, it's a very low to the ground too. You do have that little reverse lockout like ring thing you got to pull, which is nice.
I do like that.
So you're not accidentally going into the wrong gear.
Please God, no.
But this thing, quiet.
Very.
It's actually kind of quiet too.
On the inside, and it's a really windy day here.
Yeah, you're not hearing a whole lot from the engine or the exhaust, but from the outside it sounds really good. So I'm excited to do these flybys.
Oh, I'm excited.
Because I think it's going to sound nice and healthy. And especially now that it's getting up to temp.
Yeah, we're about there.
Yeah, we should be all good. Yeah, I'm excited. And it's a gorgeous, gorgeous car.
It's a gorgeous day, too.
I love the
day
color.
really turned out being nice.
Yeah, it did.
I'm very shocked.
Very shocked.
Quite shocking. Oh, hello.
Here we are.
At our new bean test spot, our new flyby spot. This requires me to do some walking, but God knows I need it.
Oh, God. All right, ready to do some flybys?
Let's do it. It's little, but God, that V8 is something. And it's cool looking. Those of you who remember the TV show Get Smart will remember this car. It was red. Agent 86. Not 99. 99 was a good-looking girl. I think I got that right. Woo! She's fiery. Go get him, Slick. Easy does it. Very nice. It sounded great from the outside. How was it?
Did it? This thing runs really good, actually. I mean, it's small, but it's mighty. I'll say that. The little V8 has plenty of pep in it.
Doesn't sound like a little car.
No, it doesn't. I'm sure it sounded great from the outside, like I was saying. But yeah, I love it. It's very tight. The shifting is great. The steering is great. The brakes are good. Everything seems to be working. All the gauges are moving, which is awesome. Got good oil pressure, of course. Yeah, I love the tech, too.
Yep.
And all the chrome bezels around everything is just awesome.
Looks
Are you
great.
ready to go back?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.